Hey, Tim again. It took me over 50 years, way over 50 years, to see this, and it changed everything. If you watch this video till the end, or as long as you can stand it, I'll tell you about what I was missing and how I look at income in a whole new way. Now, if you get bored with this and want to run away, at least go to the end of it. There's like a 15, 20-second clip, and it's pretty informative. It makes a lot of sense. You have to check that out. But anyways, um, back in the late 80s, 90s, I was raising four kids, and I I was working in a shop, and I was scrapping metal. I was working for a slumlord. He was a nice guy though, lawyer. I was doing all kinds of side jobs and stuff like that, painting houses, all kinds of things, trying to get ahead. Yeah, I was kind of looking for business and stuff, but opportunities, but really wasn't none and stuff, and trying to get something going, but really didn't have the money or ideas and stuff. But when the internet kicked in, I really didn't. I just kept working and staying out of debt and trying to get ahead and all that. And not till I retired did I see this opportunity to where you just need to be dang working on yourself and trying to get things going, like I got an ebook going, which I've mentioned. I'll put the link in the description. It was just something to get it started. It's a creator's book for creating an ebook. And I just started with that because I was learning that's what I was learning. But I'm going to try some other things. See, people, people that's making hardly any money are really richer than people that are making a lot of money, because they go out and they get all these loans and go in debt and all this stuff. Because, see, we're dang working. We may look poor or having a hard time and all that stuff, but they're actually poorer than us because they're working in the negative. They're sitting there going down, down, down with all these bills and debts, and they got to keep paying it, paying it, paying it, to where, like I didn't go in debt. I didn't go out and buy a fancy car and all that stuff. I could actually, I could actually be at work and say, kiss my butt and walk off the job. Well, more so after I had got it so I wasn't paying rent and stuff. But you dang, that's what you're building up to. See, people just go out and just throw themselves in a big hole. And what are they going to do then? I mean, and it's just crazy. Well, by the way, if you can think of anything that make this video better, or give me some suggestions how to make some money, um, I'd really appreciate that too. We dang, we just need to get stuff going, man. I'm gonna try everything I can. I got a few side deals going on. I raise I raise Yorkies. Um, I've been cutting up wood, selling trim, molding. Um, there's just all kinds of ways you need to find stuff for yourself, so that you ain't running around punching a clock working for somebody else. Just like I'm always saying about if you ain't working on your dreams, somebody will hire you to work on theirs. It's just so dang true. Well, it just don't matter how much you make an hour, because you're still working for somebody else, and it's taking away all your time away from everything. That's that independence thing I'm always trying to preach. You dang, you want to be in control of your time, your energy, and your money. You get a hold of all that, them three things. That's living, boy. That's success. That's that's not having to kiss everybody's butt. You can it's awesome. And once you start anything, just like anything, just start it. Once you start making your own money, you'll start thriving on it. You'll start growing with it. It's just it's just an unreal feeling. And you aren't, you're your own person. I I just can't tell you how it feels. It feels great. You dang. So everywhere you go, anything you do, anything you're doing, just think: Is this? Is there a profit in this? Am I wasting time on meaningless things? Is there an opportunity here? Anywhere you go, anything you do, people you talk to, you'll start getting ideas like that. Especially if you start doing something. You start doing something, you're going to be thinking ideas all the time. Things will be popping up. Write it down on your phone so you don't forget it later or whatever. But if you guys like this, like, share, subscribe. Like I say, if you got any ideas for me, I would love them. I mean, I could use all this, all the help I can get. So the hardest part is just ideas. So stay out of debt, keep looking for ideas, and things will come along. I swear, if you just start thinking with that kind of mind, things will come along. Now, like I say, like, share, subscribe. I don't know what else to say. Good luck. Peace out.
Back then, it was stupid for anyone to mortgage a house for 30 years because the amount of interest you pay is idiotic. You are a slave and you're in debt for most of your adult life. What stupid person would do that? Oh, everybody today. Because you have been put into a trance. You've been suckered into believing that this is the way it should be. This is how you're being made a slave. You have credit card debt, you have a 30-year mortgage, and you have a 6-year car loan. Shame on you. Okay, I'm calming down. Not shame on you. You're uneducated. That's why you're watching this show.